Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to make a ladder for the deer stand up north. Deer hunting season is coming up here soon. And the last time I was up there looking at the stand I usually hunt out of, the ladder wasn't looking that great. And I haven't been back there since we were doing the bear hunting, so I don't know what the ladder really looks like. I just know it was not in good shape before. So I went ahead and got some boards from the lumber company here. I got treated lumber this time, whereas the ladder that's out there I think it's just regular 2x4s. So this should last a lot longer. And I got two 10-foot boards and then two 8-foot boards, and I'm going to cut these 8-foot boards into 16-inch sections. And I'm only going to need 10 of them, so I won't need it both. I won't need all of the 8-foot. And that should be enough to make a nice ladder to put back up there. And then when we go up there before hunting starts, we'll just drive out there one day and we'll just bring this new ladder with us, put that one in place of the old one. Even if the old one isn't quite fall apart yet, it's going to fall apart soon. So I want the steps to be 16 inches across. So I'm going to go ahead and mark both of these. See if it'll stay there for me. I'm going to go ahead and mark both of these at 16 and 32 and 48. I can cut those up. I only need 10 of them because I can only put 10 on these 10-foot boards I got below. So now that I got those marked, I'm going to go ahead and start in the center so my board doesn't flop around. And the measurements don't have to be exact because the deer really don't care. As long as I can get in and out of the stand, I'm good. And this will make 9 and 10. I'm actually going to use this other one because there's a knot right where I want to cut, and I don't really like that knot. I'm going to have to drill through it later. So that's all the cuts we need. We've got 10 boards here. We'll put on these two 10-foot boards next. I'm going to pre-drill some holes in these first, and then we'll mark these 10 foots up and we'll screw them in there. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark every 12 inches up. I'm going to start here, then the first one will be 3 inches because that'll be the 2x4. So I'll go above the 12 inches up, I'll go at 15 and so forth. So I'll go 12 inches all the way up the board next. That way I will know where to put the 2x4s on here. And again, I don't necessarily need to be exact, I just need to kind of know where to put the boards. So next, to space these out a little bit where I think they need to be. We'll put one here first, and then we'll put one at the other end, and then it'll be easy to put the rest of them in at that point. I'll do the same thing down on that side. Now what we're going to do is lay the rest of them out here with the marks on it and screw them all into place. So there we go, ladder for the deer stand for this year. Should work out great. When I get up there, I'll take the old one down. We'll put this one in place of it. I want to thank everybody for watching. Be sure to like this video, give us some comments, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We'd love to have you, and we'll see you guys next time.